What's the meaning of chloroform? Chloroform. Chloroform.
Chloroform. Chloroform. Chloroform is a colorless, sweet-smelling organic compound that was commonly used as an anesthetic in surgery but is now primarily used in industry. Its chemical formula is CHCl3, which means it contains one carbon atom, one hydrogen atom, and 3 chlorine atoms. When chloroform is inhaled, it can cause dizziness, fatigue, and even unconsciousness. It has also been linked to liver damage and cancer. While chloroform can be useful in certain applications, it is important to use caution and follow proper safety protocols when handling and using it.